Cloud computing. What is cloud computing? It is an environment created in a user's machine from an online application store on the cloud and run through a web browser. In a simple, cloud computing is using the internet to access someone else's software running on someone else's hardware in someone else's data center. And cloud computing services is software as a service to end users or platform as a service to application developers or infrastructure as a service network architects. This is a new cloud pyramid. As you can see, you have on top you have the application, and then middle the platform, and then on the bottom and the infrastructure. So software as a service end users, it's just run it for me, like just use it. Also known as on-demand service. It is an application that can be accessed from anywhere on the world as long as you can have a computer with an internet connection. We can access this cloud-hosted application without any additional hardware or software. For example, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and so on. Also, they can provide security features such as SSL encryption, a cryptographic protocol. So yeah, this is just an example application provided by cloud computing, Google Cloud. And the next thing is platform as a service, application developers. Give us nice application programming interface and take care of the implementations. In a PaaS model, cloud deliver a computing platform or solution stack, typically including operating systems, programming language, execution environment, database, and web server. It is a platform for developers to write and create their own SaaS, such as applications, which means rapid development at low cost. Examples are the Salesforce.com, Windows, Azure, infrastructure as a service, network architect, also known as hardware as a service. The thing, the server, is a computing power that you can rent for a limited period of time. Allows existing applications to be run on a cloud supplier's hardware. Cloud providers offers computers as physical or more often as virtual machine, raw storage, firewall, load balance, and networks. Where's the button? Here. Oh yeah, and here this is a more better view, so you have idea what is cloud architecture. So on top of here are the users that connects to use computer, internet to get the service. Yeah. And modes of clouds. There are the different types of modes of cloud. The public, the private, and hybrid. Public, public is things like Amazon, Google, Microsoft. These computing infrastructure is hosted by cloud vendors and vendors premises and can be shared by various organizations. Then the private cloud is the computing infrastructure is dedicated to a particular organization, not shared with other organizations like HP Data Center, IBM, Sun, Oracle, Tera. These are private. They don't share any with other. Then you have the hybrid cloud. An organization may host critical application on private cloud, whereas relatively less security concerns on public cloud. Usage of both public and private together is called the hybrid cloud. Cloud operating systems are different, many different, like here are listed: iOS, MOBA OS, and so on. Yeah, different types. This is just an example. Mm, that and this is how it looks like when you go in. It just looks like a personal computer where you can store your own file online on the servers, and it's here my storage on upper left top comes the program. So it's more like yeah. And so it's just different softwares, different clouds on online programs. Also, is cloud computing reduce e-waste? Yeah, definitely. It is eco-friendly, and it helps accelerate green IT, and it also reduce global warmings. This, yeah, a little bit. And this is what the server, like the actual in the company that it looks like. The server looks like the Facebook data center, Google server. So it's not a electronics. But the disadvantage of cloud computing is that it's impossible if you don't have an internet connection. And since you use internet connection to both your connection, your application and document, if you do not have an internet connection, you cannot access anything. And a dead internet connection means no work in anywhere. Internet connection are few or inherently unreliable. This could be a deal breaker. Yeah. And this just some more companies that uses cloud. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for listening.